Today, we, the whole fam, are in Clearwater, and today's adventure, we are going on Captain Memo's Pirate Cruise. Arr, matey. So, come with us, but we sail the 7 seas, and all the grand beans get to be pirates while we drink some rum punch. And let's have some fun. It's gonna be a wonderful day. And after the cruise, we'll go chill on the beach and maybe go check out a local restaurant and have some good food. We'll see what the day holds. But no matter what, it's a beautiful day. It's gonna be a wonderful day. We're inviting you to join us on this most bodacious adventure. You excited to be a pirate? Yeah? Milo, you excited to be a pirate? You gonna go on a big pirate boat? That pirate boat over there? All right, mateys. Here is our seaworthy vessel for the day. We are gonna travel the 7 seas and plunder and have a pirate party. Arr.
Get ahoy!
Ahoy!
Welcome to Captain Memo's Pirate Cruise. In just a few moments, we will begin boarding. So make sure you have those white name tags on and visible, as those will be your tickets to board. Then, stay together with your entire group, because once on board, we'll be taking your photo.
Then belly up to our full service bar. We have free lemonade and juice. And for your hungry pirates, we have free beer and wine.
Yeah!
And be sure to check out Captain Memo's rum punch. It comes in a goblet. Get it while it's hot.
Are you ready for your pirate adventure?
Arr!
Prepare to walk the plank!
All the bars on the second level. White boxes. Focus your attention. Now down on the first.
You're on a pirate ship! That means you can be as loud as you want. So I'm gonna ask again, are you ready to have some fun? Yeah! That's more like it. I've got so many fun things planned for you guys. First things first, who's ready to scrub some toilets? Yeah! No? No? Milo, you wanna scrub some toilets? Yeah! High five, Milo! You're the best! Are you ready to scrub some toilets? Yeah, she is! Yeah! No, alright. How about, I don't know, you guys gotta scream really loud if this is something you want to do. How about we have a super amazing, awesome, one-of-a-kind water gun battle! Okay, so where are your water guns? No? You guys didn't bring any? You didn't get our memo? Our Captain Memo, if you will? No? Then that means you have to borrow my water gun. If you get a water gun and it is not working when you pull the trigger, all you need to do is pop the top just like that. Lean it back, give it a few squeezes, it should work just fine. Okay! I'm so sorry. If your water gun still isn't working, if you do all of that, hold it open, give it a few shakes, all that water should come out just fine. I'm going to hand out water guns, but stay seated. I have to quiz you on the rules. Grab one. Grab one. I want to say. Final, grab one. Nice job. Grab one. Grab one. Grab one. Okay.
I'll take it for it.
That's right. Grab one.
There you go. Looks good, guys.
All right, did I miss anybody?
First person shooter style! First person shooter style! First person shooter! Shoot it! First person shooter!
What? Let me go fix it.
You know what?
You just got me right in my eye. That's right.
But it ain't.
Oh, give me it back.
Well, you know, I shouldn't have.
Yeah, get away from him! Get away from him!
Shoot the pirate!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Everybody say treasure! Say gold! Say booty! Right, so why we sail the seas, mateys? So, we charted a course to good old Skull Island. What do you guys think was on Skull Island? That's right, treasure! We got all the treasure off that island, put it right here aboard our vessel.
We're gonna learn from the old textbook. Does anyone know how to identify a good or a bad pirate?
You have to know the clue, and if you see someone on the clue, you shoot them.
You shoot him?
No.
Oh my gosh!
Monica.
Okay, that makes more sense. So, you're not entirely wrong, but I was looking for something more flag-like. Like a flag.
You make them look like.
Oh, yeah,
The
actually.
pirate ship. The pirate ship.
You look at their flag. So, in this lesson, I'm going to show you guys a few pirate flags, and I want you guys to tell me if you think they're good or bad based on the picture. Starting off with this one right here.
Bad.
Now, you may be thinking it's bad. So, would you like to explain why you're wrong, or do you want me to? Me? Alright, so, if you look around in this pirate ship long enough, you will find that we have a flag just like this. And you guys aren't bad pirates, are you?
No.
Absolutely not. So, you know it's a good pirate flag, right?
Milo is trying to get
How about this
a little
right here?
early
Good or bad?
treasure.
Now you may be thinking this is a bad pirate flag.
Good. It's
It is good. Why is it good?
because you got a captain flag.
Not quite, not quite. Because once again, this is our pirate flag. It's like we established, you guys aren't bad pirates, right?
Yeah.
So again, good pirate flag because it's ours. Now, how about this one right here?
Bad.
Now you may be thinking this is bad.
Good.
No, it is actually bad. Okay?
Yeah.
But yeah, why is it bad? What's happening in that picture, Ruby? That's right, he's stabbing a heart, right? You know who does that? My ex-girlfriend! That's how you know they're bad pirates. Now, what happens when good and bad pirates meet? We go to war, we fight, we go on the pirate offensive. This was a picture of our last awesome pirate battle. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to see. It's not very good quality, it's just taken on an Android. But, you guys were all there. Yeah, you can see fine if you have a keen eye. And you may also be able to see that a lot of you guys are on this picture, right?
Oh, is that upside down? What is that? Is that upside down?
Oh, it is! Why don't you guys just say so?
Thanks, I love you.
Alright,
Nothing
so
without you.
anyways, that's right, just like she... That's right. No, that was fine to me. Yeah, what's up, kid? What? Shenanigans, Sean. So anyways, what? Still? Hey, hands up now. No, it's definitely right side up. I'm sorry. Yes? On three, I want you all to yell Sugar Me Timbers as loud as you can. So hopefully... Just like that, that's right. But on three. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready?
Milo, are you ready?
Get your head in the game, Milo. All right, on three, Sugar Me Timbers. 1. What? 2. Oh. 3.
Sugar Me Timbers!
Did you say chicken tenders? What? It was you? Come on, dude. Listen, you want space. Take space to work. All right, stay back, guys. Looks like we got gold, so I'm gonna hand you all one piece of gold, and once you guys get it, hey, I'm gonna hand you guys one piece of gold, and once you guys get it, I want you all to head
Cover your ears!
Fire in the
Me and Baby Bean having a pirate dance party. Isla, look. Say yeah, dance party, huh?
Pirate Milo!
Oh, come on. Go over there.
I got one for you though, baby. Can you say R, Milo?
Say R.
Yep, I can, but I won't.
Pirate Valerie!
Alright, there's Valerie right there.
Pirate Isla!
Little one.
Isla.
I made this for you. Isla, please. All my hard work.
Okay, so we just finished Captain Memo's Pirate Cruise. It was amazing. Kids had a blast. Dance party, treasure hunt. I drank rum punch like a true pirate would. They went on story time. It was amazing. I mean, there's 10 of us. It was like $400 for that time. So you can't beat that. You drink beer and wine. That's free. Soda's free. Juice is free. Of course, water's free. If you want like rum punch or a frozen alcoholic drink, those do cost money. But they're very reasonable. I can't say enough good things about it. We did it when Justin was 14. He loved it. And it's the first time going back since. And all the grandbabies had a blast. So definitely check it out if you're in the area. Now we have walked to the Salty Crab for some early dinner before going to the beach. I ordered the Boom Boom tacos with coconut rice. The babies got cheeseburgers because they're babies. Candy got key lime pie because she likes dessert. I have no idea what anybody else got, but I'm sure this food's gonna be yummy. So these are the Boom Boom tacos, and they're amazing. Super spicy. If you don't like spicy stuff, don't get it. Candy got their key lime pie. Yeah, that's Milo licking it. So, if you like key lime pie, I'm willing to bet it's super duper good because she's picky and she loves it. Runky steak tacos, up, down, all around. Yeah, it's really good. Kiki, what you rolling with? She got the meatball sub with ricotta on it. Is it bomb?
Haven't tried it.
She hasn't tried it. Nico went boring. Buffalo chicken. That's what he does. Justin went with a burger. Kind of boring too.
Brisket burger.
But it's a brisket burger, so I don't know what that means.
The fries are really good.
The prices aren't bad at all. It's like $14 to $21 for a meal. So that's not bad. Especially on the beach. So if you're in Clearwater and you go on the Memo Cruise, it's a great place to come afterwards and have a nice dinner. Or they also have a sunset cruise, which is adults. It's not for kids. So the early one's geared towards kids. Sunset one, the prices might be a little different. You have to look on the website. But it's more adult geared, and I think they have champagne on it. On the weekends, they have an early morning one if you're one of those weird people that get up super early. They got something for everybody. And I'm telling you, Salty Crab, a great spot to stop before or after. After we're done eating, I think we're going to head to the beach, and who knows what else we'll get into.
That was a really good bite.
Baby Isla's first time at the ocean. Baby Isla, you like it? Isla, hi, sweet pea. Baby Isla's playing with Uncle Nico in the waves. Yes! It's beautiful. If you don't know, Clearwater Beach is absolutely amazing. And at night, this pier over here, all kinds of street performers are coming out. It's a great time. I'm gonna leave you with a view of the ocean for a bit. And then I'm gonna shut the camera off and enjoy this wonderful beach day with my family. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, or maybe more. So stay tuned. But until then, Look, that sun's about to set. Birds are chirping. Sound of the ocean. Life just don't get no better than this. Is this beach awesome? You having fun? What are you looking for, buddy? Your sandcastle's over here, Bubba. It's in the right there, the blue bucket. The blue bucket. Right here. Put the Milo, you gotta put the sand in the bucket. See the bucket? Put the sand in the bucket.
What I got?
Mimi's got the big shovel, so you can put the sand in it.
Whoa.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's put the sand in the bucket. Oh, that's a big scooper.
You can do it.
You can do it, buddy. I have faith in you. And here, Dude, I hope you pack it down, okay? Let's pack it down. That way, it'll stay tight when we flip it. All right. Yep. Can we get 2 more scoops of sand in? Oh, if you flip it, it's gonna break. See, I told you.
Can you put it back so it can?
You want me to fix it? Okay. That's it for me for now. I gotta fix the sandcastle because it went pow. Valley's over there making sand designs and chasing the birdies.
We go that way. That makes us
Right on the blanket.
And with that, this vlog is officially done. Peace, love, and happiness to all. Go out and find your happy place.
Waves are crashing, sun's going down. Life of Brian, thanks for hanging around. Brian's live with Candy and the fam, surfing through this life, saying see.